Join me as I dive into this Japanese technique that claims to make anyone financially free. Let us see if it really works. The concept of financial freedom is something we all dream about, but often seems out of reach. This Japanese technique, however, promises to change that. It's called kakeibo, which roughly translates to budget book or account book. Essentially, it's a simple, manual approach to managing your finances that has been around for centuries. Many of us struggle with debt, poor financial habits, or simply a lack of knowledge about how to manage our money effectively. It's easy to get caught up in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck without any clear way out. The stress and anxiety that come with financial insecurity can be overwhelming. We often know we need to make changes, but where do we even start? The fear of not being able to provide for ourselves or our loved ones can be a heavy burden. And then there's the feeling of being stuck, watching others achieve financial stability while we struggle to make ends meet. So, what makes kakeibo so unique? It focuses on mindfulness and intentionality when it comes to spending. By taking the time to thoughtfully record every transaction in a dedicated book, you're forced to confront your spending habits head-on. This technique encourages you to set financial goals and track your progress, making it a highly effective tool for achieving financial freedom. Unlike digital budgeting apps, kakeibo doesn't rely on automation or algorithms. It's a hands-on approach that requires discipline and commitment. Its simplicity is part of its appeal, making it accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial literacy. At its core, kakeibo is about understanding your relationship with money and making conscious choices. For example, one woman used kakeibo to pay off her debt and save for a down payment on a house. She started by setting clear financial goals and then meticulously tracking every expense. Over time, she noticed patterns in her spending that she hadn't realized before and was able to make significant changes. The sense of control and confidence she gained was transformative. Her story is just one example of how kakeibo can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom. To sum it up, kakeibo offers a straightforward yet powerful approach to managing your finances and achieving financial freedom. By adopting this technique, you can develop healthier financial habits, reduce stress, and start building the financial future you desire. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a sustainable method that has stood the test of time. If you're intrigued by kakeibo and want to learn more about how to apply it to your own life, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and check out my other related videos for practical advice on achieving financial freedom.